Good morning, students. Today I have brought a worksheet for you that will make your concepts pretty more clear about adjectives. Yes, few of you mentioned in the online class that some points are there which are confusing for you. To make it more crystal clear, I have brought some examples. With those examples, I believe your concepts will become a little more clear. Alright? So, I'll take the first one, few and little. Now, if I say this word few, I'm talking about countables, which I can count. Alright? And if I talk about little means uncountable. I'm talking about uncountable. Let's start with the first one. There is dash point in calling. There is little point in calling. Yes, there is little point in calling. Dash people understood what he said. Few people. You're getting the difference between countables and uncountables? Just look to what the noun it is talking about, and then you have to put the adjective there. Third one, there is dash use in trying to do this. There is use we can count? No, there is little use. There is dash space. Again, space is uncountable. There is little space. Here as it is. There's dash I can do out about this. There's few I can do, little I can do. You're talking about the ability, can do. Ability you can count? No. It's abstract noun. So, there's little I can do about this. Dan is a great student. He has dash problem with history. He has, can you count problems? We can. He has few problems with history. Okay? You have certain problems with your subject. Sometimes you have certain concepts like the way we are doing right now. So, few problems with history. Let's see how we can use this some and many. First example, the child put dash sand into the bucket. Can we count sand? No, we cannot count the sand. So, we will say the child put some sand. I can lend you dash money. Remember we discussed in our online class, money we cannot count. We can count rupees and coins, but money we cannot count. So we'll say some money. Okay? There aren't dash pears left. Only 2. Can I count pears? Yes. I can count. So there aren't many pears left. We had dash cake. Now children, if we talk about bread or cake, we cannot count. I can say loaves of bread and piece of cake. Okay? But I cannot say one bread or one cake. It is always loaves of bread and pieces of cake. So if I say only cake, that's uncountable. We had some cake. Okay? Not many. Many is for countables. Don't eat so dash sweets or you will get fat. Sweets I can count. So what will I say? Don't eat so many sweets or you will get fat. Okay? Some or any. Now remember I told you when we are talking about positive sentences, we are talking about some. And when we are talking about the negative sentences, we are saying any. We'll go through the examples. Okay? Is there dash milk left? Is there some milk left? You don't find any negative word there. Okay? There is dash juice in the bottle. There is some juice. Do you have dash coffee? Do you have some coffee? Okay? Now look, in fourth one, I'm saying I don't. Don't is a negative thing. I don't have dash money left. What I said just now, when it is negative, what will we use? Any. I don't have any money left. She has dash money. This is positive sentence. She has some money. Now this fourth and fifth is clearly telling you the difference between positive and negative. Fourth is negative, we wrote any. Fifth is positive, we wrote some. Both is talking about money, but the difference is of positive and negative sentence. Sixth one, do you know dash of these singers? Do you know some of these singers? Seventh, I don't know dash of them. I don't know any of them. Okay, don't is there, negative, any of them. A little, a few. Now I told you that when we say a little, we are talking about uncountables. But when I say a few, I'm talking about countables. Let's see examples. Can you buy some, can you please buy dash apples? Little apples or few apples? Few, because I can count apples. Okay. We need dash water. We need a little water or a few water? A little water. I have dash money left. Money we cannot count. I have a little money left. I take dash sugar with my coffee. I take a little sugar. A little why? Because sugar is uncountable. Now we'll talk about farther and further. Let's see. How much dash do you plan to drive tonight? How much farther do you plan to drive tonight? I just can't go any further. Do you have any further plans for adding on to the building? That's a lot farther than I want to carry this heavy suitcase. Fifth one, the dash that I travel down. The dash I travel down. That will be farther. This road, the dash behind the schedule I get. The further behind the schedule I get. How much dash do you intend to take this legal matter? How much further do you intend to take this legal matter? Okay. Now moving to later and latter. Later is talking about time. Okay, later is talking about time and latter is talking about the second half. My neighbors have a son and a daughter. The former is a teacher and if I'm talking about former, what will come here? The latter is a nurse. The second one is a nurse. I will address that at a later time. Of the first two Harry Potter books, I'm talking about two books, I prefer the latter, second one. John arrived at the party dash then Mary did. I'm talking about time, so that later will come here. John arrived at the party later than Mary did. I prefer the dash offer to the former one. I prefer the latter offer to the former one. Okay. So that was about the revision of the worksheet. Okay. I think now your concepts are clear. If you have doubts, if you have doubts, try to solve other examples, other worksheets so that you can get over more practice. Okay? Children, prepare well for your test and do it very carefully. Take care of yourself.